It's a shame the Model Y doesn't have a built-in sunglass holder. That's something we've heard from Tesla owners again and again, and we fixed it. Now we can finally store and grab our sunglasses without cluttering up the center console. Just pop them in and pop them out. Simple, clean, and finally, where they belong. Here's a quick look at the sunglass holder itself. It's compact, lightweight, and designed to match the Tesla Model Y Juniper's interior perfectly. We can feel the smooth push-to-open mechanism. It's got that satisfying factory feel. Now let's install it. Just use the included pry tool and follow the steps shown in this video. It's very simple and takes less than a minute. The product link is down below in the description, and if this was helpful, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more Tesla upgrades from us. Once installed, it looks like it came with the car. Clean finish, seamless fit, and it doesn't affect the installation or use of the glass roof sunshade. Push to open, push to close. That's it. And if we ever want to take it off, that's simple too. Just follow the removal steps shown here. It comes off cleanly and can be reinstalled anytime.